Hi guys, this is just a quick video on the closure that I made for my last journal, and it was an elastic one with a flower on it. So you were asking me how I attach the flower to the elastic, so I thought I'd just give you a quick tutorial on how I did it. So what I do, I use these. Now these are hair bands. You can buy them in packs, and I think I get them from Primark. So they're really cheap. These are just, you can get them in all sorts of colours, but these are the ones that I have left. But you can use elastic, any thickness that you like, but these are so much easier. Let me just measure it. I think they were like 7.5 to 8 inches like this. Okay, so yes, 7.5 inches, and they stretch quite far. They stretch for about 12 inches. So they're really good. So all I've done, I've just got a couple of little flowers that I made here. So this one's just a little doily that I was gifted, and then I've just added a little seam binding flower, and then just a little fabric one that I made. So I've just popped those on top of each other. There's a little doily here, don't need that one yet. And this one is just some shabby chic fabric, and a little bit of lace under there, and another one on top. So we can either put that underneath, but I think you can't really see it, so there's not much point. So what I'm going to do, where you've got here, where they let it sort of like stick them together, that's where I try and attach it. Because what I do, I just pop them on top like that. So you will probably have lots of flowers that you've made, so you don't really need to see me make a flower. So what I do, I pop it on there, and then I actually sew this bit on. Just to make sure it's on there nice and tight. So all as I do, you can glue them on if you want to, but I think sewing them on is a little bit safer, because obviously if you're taking it on and off your journal all the time, the glue's not going to come off. So I think sewing it on, you don't have to do too many stitches, but just so it's on there nice and tight. So just a few stitches like this. Okay. Just make sure you go up. Make sure you catch it in there like that. So I'm going to pop a few like that. I'm just going to cut it off. You can do more than that, but I'm just going to, just because I'm doing a quick video. Okay, so then that's on there nicely. Alright, so then what I do, I get a little bit of fabric. This is the fabric that I made, oh, that piece will do, the little flower off underneath there. So just get a little bit of matching fabric, and then I just tear a little section off like that, and then pop it over the top. Now I do glue this down. Now I'll glue it down. You can either use the 3-in-1, or some tacky glue, or some Fabri-Tac, anything on there. So I just pop a little bit of glue on there, like so, and then, oopsie daisy, stick that over the top, like so, and then that's it. That's as quick and easy as it goes. Okay, so then that's it. So that makes it look neat and tidy at the back. Then you can wrinkle up your flower again, and then before you put something in the middle, you can sew through it if you want to, and sew all the way through, but you don't need to. You just need to make sure it's caught on there, and then you can just pop in, let's see what I've got in here, all sorts of little things that you've got. See, that looks quite pretty, doesn't it? If you're doing a sewing journal, you could pop a little button on there, so that looks nice. Or look, you could have a nice bit of bling. So it all depends on what sort of journal you're doing, to add little extra bits to it. You could actually even sew little of these little ones onto the actual band as well. So I thought they looked really pretty, so that's lovely. And then where's the other one I have here somewhere? Right in front of me, here it is, look. So here's a darker one, so that's it. So that's how quick and easy it is to sew them on. So there we go, guys, just a quickie just to show you what I did, how they're attached, and it's very simple, just sew and glue, and it looks really effective. So when you pop it onto here, this is a TN journal that I'm making at the moment, and that just clips onto there like that, so I think that looks really lovely. Bit of bling in there, or anything that sort of like matches your journal. Alright guys, thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And a big thumbs up would be great. And I will see you in my next video. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye bye.